5 ways to relax in stressful situations. Try these. Number 1. Take deep breaths. When you are in a stressful situation, slow, deep breathing can help reduce the stress. It relaxes the body, it calms the body. Number 2. Meditate. Practice meditation or mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation can help you focus on the present moment and let go of worries about the past or future. The next thing you can try is doing some exercise or physical activity. Physical activity can help reduce stress by releasing endorphins, also known as feel-good chemicals in the brain. Number 4. Talk to someone. Talking to a trusted friend or family member can help you process your thoughts and feelings and can provide a sense of support and understanding. Number 5. You can do something you enjoy. We all have some hobbies or some things we like to do. So engage in an activity that you find relaxing or enjoyable, such as reading, listening to music, or spending time in nature. This can help take your mind off the stressful situation and provide a sense of calm. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like the video and also subscribe the channel so in the future if I make such videos they come to you. Thank you very much for watching.